We've all heard the fable of the mighty monkey god Hanuman, who could leap across great distances and soar through sky. Well, this man doesn't claim to have any resemblance to the mythological legend, but has such amazing skills that people have dubbed him the Monkey King. Jumping from one rock to the other, scaling walls or any man-made height without any aid, Jyoti Raju truly lives up to his nickname. He shows his self-acquired skills to entertain visitors at the Chitradurga fort in the state of Karnataka. Raju, who grew up as a labourer, started practicing this new form of art only 4 years ago. He drew his acrobatics inspiration from monkeys and mastered the art by watching the moves of the primates and aping them.
कर्नाटक में कोतिराज बोलते हैं। कोतिराज मतलब बंदर राजू करके। बंदर राजू तो इंग्लिश में मंकी किंग, हिंदी में बंदर राजू बोला था। ऐसे वो नाम तो मैं जिंदगी छोड़ को लिया था नाम।
Raju's swift, smooth, efficient and direct moves are much similar to parkour, a new genre of outdoor sport that needs determination and mental prowess while jumping from one height to another. Now he wants to popularize this art among kids.
मोबाइल क्लब करके आराम सबको बच्चे को प्रैक्टिस देना है। मोबाइल क्लब मतलब बस में क्लब बन के रोप डाल के सबको प्रैक्टिस देकर हमारा देश का नाम ऊपर लेने का ना करके मैं सोच रहा हूँ। अब तुम मेरा परफॉर्मेंस में देखे रहती सभी, क्या प्लीज कौन सा भी ऐसा है तो प्रैक्टिस हमारा सपोर्ट दो।
Well, we don't know if apes really consider this man as their king, but his acrobatic abilities definitely make him India's very own monkey man.